Well, this week I'm going to continue with the winterizing projects. If you've been following along with the videos, the last one I got the oil pan modified, and today I'm going to get under there and clean the block so we can put the oil pan back on. There's only a few more things left. I mean, put the zoomies back on. I got to check the valve lash, and I think we're good to go. Put some fuel in it, and we should be able to get it started. Well, let me get back under there, see if I can get the rest of this gasket material off. Well, I thought I'd get under here and show you all the complaining about cleaning. You can kind of see how tight it is to get up underneath here. The biggest problem is getting up under the main cap up here. Right in here, you can see right here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but where it goes around the main cap. Getting up in there and cleaning, because if you look back here with the flywheel and the rear engine plate in the way, it's hard. The front ain't too bad. If you look up that way, I don't know if you could see up there or not. I got plenty of room up that way. And of course, the straight part of the rails here is pretty easy to clean. Well, I got a little bit more to clean. Let me get under here and try to get this finished. Well, after about a week of playing around, crawling under there and cleaning the bottom of the block, I finally got it done, and I got the oil pan on. I didn't get a chance to film it. I just about fit under there and didn't have a good way to film it, so I didn't film that part. But while I have the zoomies off and now the oil pan's on, I went ahead and checked the valve lash on it because I hadn't checked it since I went to the turkey run down in Florida. Everything checked out good. You can see here the head looks really good, clean, no issues. None of them were out of adjustment, so that was a good thing. So let me get started. I'm hoping I got the starter back on also. I'm going to go ahead now and try to get the zoomies back on, and once I get them on, we'll put the valve covers on and get some oil in it, and we'll be close to starting it. Well, I've been busy. Got the oil pan back on. I got the zoomies back on. We got the starter back on. And I was getting ready to put the valve covers back on, but I kind of messed up. I set them over here on my table. I put down a couple rags. I wipe out the inside to clean them out a little bit. And apparently there must have been some splatter or something on the table, and it went right through the rags and ended up scratching my valve covers. So you can see here, I sanded out the scratches, and then of course I had to repolish it to get the sanding marks out of it. So I'm working on that right now. Well, it won't be long now. I appreciate everybody watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe. I'm planning to go in March to Run to the Sun show at Myrtle Beach. Probably be the first big show that I go to. So I still got about 3 weeks before the show. But in the next week or so, I'll put some fuel back in it, and we'll take it out for a test drive. Thanks again for watching.